Hey everyone, thanks for coming back. We're on week 3 of our bikini competition plan. We are following the Shannon Dey and Gennifer Strobo plan. The link is in the description below. Please keep on following as we go through week 3. Like and subscribe. Thanks. I still made it in the gym each day, but I'm learning that it isn't just about getting in shape. It's about showing up for yourself, even on hard days. My mantra this week: discipline over motivation. Because motivation fades, but discipline builds results. Week 1 versus week 3. Small changes, but real progress. Feeling stronger, less bloated, and more confident. So this week I weighed in at 160.3. I'm down 1 full pound. Let's keep it going. So week 3 is in the bag. We're moving on to week 4, but I'm looking forward to week 5. Week 5 is when we go into phase 2 of our bikini plan challenge. We're going to change up our workouts at the gym. We're going to lower some of our calories, but we're going to stay on track. For now, let's keep moving forward, staying focused, making new progress every day. Please like and subscribe. Join us on this bikini fitness plan to getting in shape, learning new habits, and just having fun. See you next week on week 4 of 16. Thanks for watching. Bye.